Hey guys, my name is Freedom. How to make cat animations just by using the iClone 8 3D animation software and bring it into your Unreal Engine 5.8 game project like this. You can see now in the game scene I have a cat. There's a cat eating and cat meow. How to make this type of the NPC just by using the iClone 8 and 3D animation pipeline. It is really easy for your game developing process. And in this tutorial, I'm going to just show you all the step by step. Let's go. Alright, the first step in iClone 8, you can just go and call out an animal. It can be under props, template, props, 3D live props. You have a dog, you have a cat. So now I'm going to just call out a cat, for example. I just drag and drop it here. So now this is a prop, but you can just right click and just let it perform anything. Before you add any of the perform, if you try to play, there's no animation. So now I try to perform, I right click perform. Let's say I want it to eat. Just eat. Alright. Now you can see the whole timeline. This cat is eating. So now I may just go and check the timeline for this cat for the animation. Check it out. Where is the animation? Alright, the animation is at here. So now I just go and click here the zoom. Make sure I click zoom fit to the window. Now next I'm going to just drag the range to be exactly at the last frame of the cat animation. So now if I try to play, it will be within this range. The cat is performing the eating animations. The cat is eating something. Alright. Right now, at this moment, you can just right click here to perform. To just perform another animation. For example, to perform meow after eating. Fail adding command at the last frame. So now I just open the range bigger, make it have full range, enough range, then I right click, perform, meow. So now you can see this cat have another animation of meow. Then here I can adjust it so that it is exactly just stick together. So I can just merge it so that here it can be smooth. Alright. Now I will just adjust the range again to just make sure it is at the correct frame. Alright, now the range already correct. Now if you try to play, it will include the cat eating and smooth transition to meow. Alright, now it's your time to export it, or you can save it. Alright, the next step is to export as FBX so that you can import it into Unreal Engine 5.8. I click File, Export. But before that, you need to make sure you already double click. You press Q and double click to select the cat. To select the whole prop, make sure it already gets selected. Once you already select it, then next you can click File, Export, Export FBX. The target tool preset choose Unreal Engine 5, UE5 skeleton, and then export range, we are going to just choose range. We just need this range of the animation, and then embed the texture. Next, click the advanced setting, select merge opacity to diffuse texture. This is very important to make everything simple. Next, click export. As demo, I will just export it on my desktop. Right click, create a new folder, name this as cat01. Then the file name, I'm going to just name this as cat01. I click save, click OK. Now the iClone 8 is exporting the FBX file, the cat01 FBX file. Now it already exported at here. You can see the cat01, it already exported cat01.fbx. If I double click it, it is going to open with the Autodesk FBX review. So now I'm going to Unreal Engine, the Unreal Engine 5.8, and as demo I will just create a fresh new project, a fresh new third-person project, then click create. Now the Unreal Engine 5.8 editor is creating a fresh new game project. Just wait for a few seconds. Now the Unreal Engine 5.8 already created a fresh new game project, and now if this is the first time you open it, it doesn't have the content browser. You need to go to the window, content browser, to just call out the content browser one, then create a new folder under the content. Right click, create a new folder, name this as cat01. Double click in. Next, drag and drop the cat01.fbx into here. Then you have to scroll down. This is the import content option. You need to scroll down until you find the animation setting. Under the animation, the animation length, make sure you change it to animated time. Make sure you select import animation, then animation length, select animated time, then click import. So now you can see the cat01 already imported. The skeleton mesh, if I open the skeleton mesh, the cat01 is at here. Alright, but you can see the texture is really horrible. We can just adjust it. I'm going to show you how to adjust it. So now I close it first. Then I right click to create a material. Name this material as cat01 underscore material. Alright, double click to open it. Click the empty area, blend mode, change it to mask. And then here, just make the window smaller. We need to drag and drop the cat diffuse texture into the material. Drag and drop only. Then from here, the texture sample, it is the cat's material texture. We drag the RGB to base color, and we drag the alpha to opacity mask. Then click save, close, then open the skeleton mesh of the cat01. The material, change it to cat01 material. Now everything will just look better, and actually we still can adjust it. We just need to back to the material, the cat01 material. We are going to adjust the roughness to 1. Make it 1. Then click save. Now you can observe again. You can observe the cat01 again. It don't have the reflection anymore. So now I close this. I close this window. I'm going to check the animation, the cat01 animation. This is the animation sequence. I double click it and check. You can see this cat exactly make the same animation, the body motion, as you set it in iClone 8. Now it already in Unreal Engine 5.8 to become a game asset. So now you can just drag the animation sequence into the game scene, and now I try to click play. Now you can see this cat is already in the game scene. It already in your game. You try to test play, this cat already become one of the NPC in your game. It is really easy, really awesome. Now we already bring this cat01 with body motion into the Unreal Engine 5.8 third-person game in the game scene. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to import the iClone animal with the body motions, how to make any of the animal body motions for your Unreal Engine 5.8 game project. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. See you.